Bonjour, this is Hemalaisa, Assistant Professor of French, Holy Cross College, Tiruchirappalli, presenting you the topic L'introduction des verbes et les verbes auxiliaires, which means introduction of verbs and auxiliary verbs. Les objectifs d'apprentissage, learning objectives are identifier et définir un verbe, parler des groupes de verbes, utiliser un verbe dans une phrase. Identify and define a verb, to speak about groups of verbs and to use a verb in a sentence. L'introduction, qu'est-ce qu'un verbe? Introduction, what is a verb? Un verbe est un mot qui indique une action. A verb is a word which indicates an action. Examples are here. Chanter, remplir, courir, which means chanter is to sing, remplir is to fill, courir is to run. Les trois groupes des verbes. The three groups of verbs. Les verbes du premier groupe se terminent avec ER. So the first group verbs end with ER. This is how we identify the verbs. For example, you have parler, danser. Parler means to speak, danser means to dance. Les verbes du deuxième groupe se terminent avec IR. So the verbs of second group end with IR. For example, you have punir, finir. Punir means to punish, finir means to finish. Les verbes du troisième groupe se terminent avec RE, IR ou OIR. So the third group verbs end with RE, IR and OIR. For example, we have verbs like prendre, venir, savoir. Prendre means to take, venir means to come, savoir means to know. Les verbes auxiliaires, the second topic of this session. Avoir et être. These are the two auxiliary verbs that we have in French. Avoir means to have, être means to be. Ces deux verbes ont un rôle différent dans la conjugation des verbes. So these two verbs have a different role in conjugating verbs. First of all, in order to know about the conjugation, we must know what are the subject pronouns. So here we have the list. Les pronoms sujets. So these are the subject pronouns. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. So je, première personne singulier, tu, deuxième personne singulier, il, troisième personne singulier masculin, elle, troisième personne singulier féminin, nous, première personne pluriel, vous, deuxième personne pluriel, il, troisième personne pluriel masculin, elle, troisième personne pluriel féminin. So, first person singular, second person singular, third person singular for masculine and third person singular for feminine, first person plural, second person plural and third person plural for masculine groups and third person plural for feminine groups. So, I repeat the subject pronouns once again. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il and elle. These are the 8 subject pronouns which we use in any conjugation. So, now let us move to the conjugation of verb être. Être means to be, as I already told you. So, the conjugation goes like this. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. So, je suis means I am, tu es, you are, il est, he is or it is, elle est, she is or it is, nous sommes, we are, vous êtes, you are, ils sont and elles sont means they are. But ils sont is used for a masculine group and elles sont is used for a feminine group. Yeah. Next one is avoir. Avoir means to have. So, j'ai means I have, tu as, you have, il a, he has or it has, elle a, she has or it has, nous avons, we have, vous avez, you have, ils ont, they have, elles ont, they have. As I have already mentioned, ils ont is for masculine group and elles ont is for feminine group. Okay, so now we have learnt what are auxiliary verbs and the introduction of verbs. So I have made few sentences here for you to practice. So here I have given être or avoir in between the sentences. So now you are going to find out the answers. So je être professeur. So it has to be conjugated as je suis professeur. Then nous avoir deux chiens. It has to be conjugated as nous avons deux chiens. Then elle être belle. So it has to be conjugated as elles sont belles. Then tu avoir un stylo. It has to be answered as tu as un stylo. Then il être intelligent has to be answered as il est intelligent. These are the references. Merci. Thank you.